Hello and welcome to the status report overview of SKAGEN Global in August. Let's take a look at the highlights for the month. SKAGEN Global fell 3.3% during the month, but outperformed its benchmark by 1.1% on a relative basis to narrow the gap year to date. One new company was added to the portfolio and we increased our positions in two others. One company exited the fund, so at the end of August, the portfolio consisted of 103 companies. The portfolio remains very attractively valued in absolute terms and relative to both the benchmark and the fund's historic average. Now let's take a look at the month's contributors and detractors. As last month, the fund's two largest holdings, Samsung and Citigroup, topped the winners and losers list, albeit in opposite directions to the previous month. Behind Samsung on the winners list, VimpelCom, the Russian telecom company, was the second best contributor, announcing second quarter results in line with expectations. It continues to show organic growth in both revenue and earnings. The results confirmed our thesis that the company should be able to generate increasing cash flow and increase its dividend. Behind Citigroup on the losers list, State Bank of India was the second largest detractor as it announced disappointing results. The bank continued its strong growth with both deposit and loans growing close to 15% year on year, but unfortunately this didn't translate into strong earnings growth as net interest margins declined and operating expenses increased at a faster pace. In the short term, the picture looks mixed with pressure on earnings, but looking longer term, it is a very strong deposit franchise in an underbanked country and also trades at a very attractive valuation relative to its peers. Now let's take a look at what changed in the portfolio during August. Tata Motors was initiated as a new investment. The Indian vehicle manufacturer is delivering poor profits from its domestic operations, but its Jaguar Land Rover subsidiary, which represents the majority of earnings, is delivering solid growth and profitability. We increased our position in LG Core after its main subsidiaries LG Chem, LG Electronics and LG U+ delivered solid second quarter earnings. We are particularly upbeat about LG Chem's position in the growing market for batteries. Our position in Ensco was increased as the share price fell from $62 to the mid-$50. The company continues to deliver operationally and has a strong balance sheet. It should also be cash generative going forward as the company comes to the end of its new build program. On the sell side, we completely exited from SCA following a huge valuation re-rating. Most triggers have been realised and the share price has surpassed our fundamental target. Finally, a quick look at the fund's top 10 holdings, which together represent 31% of the portfolio, and we can see how attractive current valuations are. The companies trade at a weighted 2013 price-earnings multiple of 7.2 times, which is at a considerable discount to the index, and we believe there to be around 45% potential upside based on our current target prices. That's all for this month. Thank you for watching, and for more information, please visit the SKAGEN Global section of the SKAGEN website.